My audience voted and Normani won. So today I'm recreating her entire soft glam makeup look and trying the exact NYX lip combination she wore. But the real question is, can I make it look this good on brown skin? Let's get into it. So first, brows. As you guys know, I use my Nika Auto Eyebrow. It is in the color Cocoa. It's one of my favorites because it's not too dark, but it gives the right color. So I'm just filling in my brow because, baby, this is going to give this Normani look. So we already done filled it in. My favorite concealer, this is 345. It matched with my skin tone. And I'm just going to go right under here to make it look nice and clean. And have a nice little arch, not too much. Trying to get it Normani. So let's give you this cognac color for my skin tone, or this warm honey. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my angle brush. So we have the brows and the concealer, and baby, we've got the brows looking good, Normani. The next step is the eyeshadow. I am definitely going to use my Ruby Kisses gemstones. This cost $6. And I love it. So I see that she did wear a little bit of black on the outer side of her eye, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and blend that a little bit. I'm going to blend in the corner. It's kind of like a nude but whitish color. So let me see if I use this by itself. I'm going to use a little of that, and I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. That worked out. So I'm just blend the little nude and the little silver white there, and baby, we got it. Okay, that's what I did there. Then I'm going to use my Absolute New York black. This is one of my favorites. It's like 2. So I'm just going to go a little closer here, and I'm going to blend that out. So that's so far with that. I'm going to do both eyes. And so we have both of the eyeshadows going now. So now we definitely have to go in with this concealer. So I am going to just use this concealer. I'm going to keep it natural. And I'm just going to apply this 345 under my eyes by Ruby Kisses. And doing it like that. Because Normani kept hers mostly natural. Now she did have a little bit of blush, so I'm going to use my Absolute New York blush stick, and I'm going to apply that here as well. And then I'm going to go back in with my concealer. I'm going to be right back. Now we don't want our makeup to sweat, right? So what if I told you we're going to use NYX Sweatproof? This is like a transfer settings called the face glue that went viral on TikTok as well. So we're gonna see. You know, like no miss. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend this baby in. I'm gonna use my brush, and as you guys can see, oh wow, look how just blend in, baby. Sweatproof and non-transfer. Like, look at, like, it looks good on my skin. Oh my gosh. Okay. Be right, baby. I am shook. Like, look how my skin looks. But I'm going to add my eye powder. And I also want to say, I'm sorry I didn't say anything, but I already had some primer on my face. And if you guys want to know the face primer I'm using, it is called Torted. You guys would have seen it from my last video, my previous video with Zendaya. But I had already had some makeup on before I did this video. So I know I'm in a rush. So I already applied. But the powder I am using is called Ruby Kisses, and the color is Earth. And it's like $6 as well. And I love it. I love makeup. It's very natural. It gives sexiness. And I think with confidence, it's always about loving yourself and being in your own skin. So that's what I love about Normani. She's in her own skin. And she's a brown skinned woman. We're very melanin. So I love the make-far. And I look like it's very natural. What you guys think so far? I love it. Now for the lip combo is Nika. So I'm gonna go with the lips, and this is called Coffee. Now this pencil only costs $1. You guys at your local beauty supply store. All right, you guys, see how you outline it. Bam, you got it. And then you have your Perline. And I'm just going to set off with some gloss. Now, I use Yippy. This is one of my favorite lip glosses brands. Yippy smells so good, and it gives that actual gloss. And it's like $3, so I didn't have to spend the lid for some lip gloss. And this is some good lip gloss. And this is my Normani lip combo. I feel like I nailed it. And I just want to put a little bit of darkness under my eye. A little dark eyeliner. Just a little bit. And we're going to add a little bit of mascara. This is my Black Radiance Bold Builder. You guys can find it at your local drugstore for $5.49. And I love it. It gives incredible length. So I feel like I nailed it. Tell me what you guys think. Did I nail Normani makeup look? I feel like I did. And I love it. I love this Sweatproof. And I don't see anything on my hands. Do you guys? With this sprayer by NYX as well. So you can wear this during the summer and you can look good and look flawless. So tell me what you guys think. And who do you guys think I should recreate next? I think with doing the celebrity makeup looks is mostly about confidence and exploring yourself and transforming. So I hope that you guys do enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below who you guys would like for me to recreate next. And see you guys in the next one. Ciao. Oh, and the sprayer, this only $10.99, $11. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys. I'm going this time.